First and third defense. This is play number 2. On play 2, we do not care if the runner from third goes home on the throw down to second or not. We are trying to get the runner stealing second, trying to throw him out. That is our objective on this play. The second baseman, shortstop's covering the situation. The second baseman can come in when he knows the ball's not getting hit and pretend that he might be making some type of cut to freeze the runner. But again, the ball is going to second base. As with all plays we call, we have 3 numbers. The first number is the only number that matters. So in a first and third situation for play number 2, we'll be calling a number like 222, 231, 299. It doesn't matter except for the very first number. So we're running play 2 in this situation. I'll run the play here. As you can see, the runner on third held. And that happens in many of the situations when the catcher throws a hard line drive right down to second base that could potentially be cut by the pitcher. If the second baseman were to move from his position, instead of backing up, he runs in down here in the infield grass and acts like he might cut the ball off. Just make sure you don't get in line with the throw and interfere with our shortstop's ability to see the throw. Shortstop just needs to cover the base and apply the tag. Center fielder will back up. As you can see, the left fielder is backing up third base. Potentially, if the catcher does not have a chance of throwing the runner out, he might fake the throw and throw it on the third base. The left fielder needs to be in position there. Right fielder is moving in behind first base, and he could potentially be in for a rundown situation. The runner were to freeze, get caught between the bases. Now we have a rundown. He's in position to be able to help out. Or if the runner froze and started heading back to first, our shortstop fires it back to first. Our right fielder is there to back things up. So everybody needs to be moving just like any other play. Again, this is play number 2. Called in a 3-number sequence.